In this video mga mamsir, we will talk about how to set up parts and gimbal modes of Zhiyun Smooth 4. So, let's go! Hi mga mamsir, it's me again, si Poy. To those who don't know yet what is Zhiyun Smooth 4, it is a gimbal for your smartphone that will help you to create a smooth and stable footage using your smartphone. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go first to the parts of Zhiyun Smooth 4. First, the roll axis thumb screw. Use this to balance your phone before turning on your gimbal. And then, the phone clamp, where you will place your smartphone. Next is control dial or hand wheel. This can only be used using ZY app or Zai app. Then next is control panel. Control panel is just the same with the hand wheel. You cannot use this without using the ZY app. Then we have the threaded hole. This one for our tripod, for mounting this one. Then we have mobile clamp thumb screw, which is located at the back of the phone clamp. Here, you will see at the back of the phone clamp. This is for tightening of your smartphone and to make phone vertical or horizontal. Then we have motors. These are the motors of Zhiyun Smooth 4. You will see at these locations. Then we have the Type-C USB port, where you can find it at the side of the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Then lastly, we have the trigger button at the back of the control panel, which we will discuss shortly. Then let's jump before using the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Make sure to fully charge the batteries on your first use. This will activate the batteries and guarantee the appropriate use of Zhiyun Smooth 4. Do not turn on the Zhiyun Smooth 4 before putting in the smartphone. To start, screw first the tripod into the gimbal. Make sure to balance first your smartphone horizontally using roll axis thumb screw. This will help power saving of your batteries and put less stress into the motor. Check if balance. If balance, you can turn on the Zhiyun Smooth 4. If not, you could adjust here. Then let's talk about the 5 gimbal modes. First is the pan follow mode. By default, we are in pan follow mode. It is in the PF button. When in pan follow mode, we can only use a horizontal direction, left and right movement, but locked in tilting. Then, the L button means you are in lock mode. When you are in the lock mode, all 3 axes are locked. It will not move left or right, nor up and down. At the back of the Smooth 4, you will notice that there are 2 triggers here, and these are full follow mode. In full follow mode, you can have your tilting movements. To activate this, just press and hold this trigger. Once you achieve your desired angle, let go of it and the gimbal will be locked in that position. To reset the position, just double tap the bottom trigger and it will go back to its original position. Then, if you will hold the top trigger button, you will activate the phone go mode. In phone go mode, this is similar to full follow mode, but this can pan faster and tilt quickly without delay. Then, if you want to put in standby mode, just put this arm down here and lock it in. In this position, your gimbal is now standby mode. In this mode, this will help to conserve the battery of your gimbal, and if you want to use your smartphone. Then let's see how stable is Smooth 4 compared to handheld cameras. So let's go outside. Using the Smooth 4 while walking, front camera. Then I use it while jogging. And then the selfie camera. You will notice that there's a huge difference in the stability of smoothness of the footages compared to handheld camera. I just noticed that there's a limitation in the movement of Zhiyun Smooth 4, which I need to adjust. Even though you are in the lock mode, the gimbal will still tilt if you move the gimbal more than 90 degrees in this direction. I also experienced that the motor will shake or vibrate if you exceed its movement capacity, so be careful. Note that all these gimbal modes can be used using your default cameras. But if you want to use this control panel here, this hand wheel, and other advanced features of Zhiyun Smooth 4, you need to use the ZY app. Like this hand wheel here. You cannot use this one if you're just using the default camera. So in my next video, I will be talking about this control panel here and advanced features in the ZY app. So stick around, and if you have any questions, please let me know and comment down below. And that's it. Please don't forget to like and share